Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to pin a chat on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to pin a chat on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app on your phone, and over here guys, on this interface, in order to pin a chat, all of your chats will be over here. Now pick to pin a specific chat on your Telegram account. You will be required to tap and hold the chat box of that person or the chat of that person like this guys. You can see over here, the moment we tap and hold on that chat box, a green tick mark will appear at the left side on the profile picture, and when that appears guys, at the top of the screen a bunch of items are appearing, and at just beside the mute icon over here there is the pin icon available for us. Now in order to pin that chat on a Telegram account, simply tap on that button over there and that chat will be pinned on Telegram. You can see the pin icon available for us at the right side of that chat particularly. And with that being said guys, this is how to pin a chat on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.